Hello guys, we're going to talk about function shifts, transformation, and translations. Okay, first of all, let's use the y equals x squared graph. This, first of all, looks like this. And there's a two ways of shifting, going to the right or left, or going to the up or down. So, sorry, how do you go up or down? You should put something in here, a number. If you put 5 plus, then it will go up 5. If you put minus 5, it will go down 5. If you put 1/2 plus, you go up 1/2. If you put minus 1/2, you go down 1/2. So like, let's just say plus 5. 5 here, it will look like this. And if it is minus 5, sorry. It will look like this. And then, if there's a negative down here, it will look like this. And if it is plus 5, it will go up 5, so it will look like this. And if it goes minus 5, it will look like this. So this thing is this. This thing is this. This thing is this thing. And this thing is that. And this thing is this. Okay. Now let's talk about going right or left. So basically what you have to do is you have to put something in here in order to make it move. Not outside, inside the square. So if that is 2, it means you have to go left 2 spaces, because in order to make this 0, you have to x would equal minus 2 to make this thing 0. And opposite way, if this was negative, then it would be it'll go right 2 spaces. So let's have an example. My lead is not coming out. There you go. Y equals x minus 3 squared. This is the parent function, which is y equals x squared. You have to go 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. It will look like this. And moreover, if they said plus 2, then you go up 2. You see that difference? Okay. On the other hand, if it was plus 3, then you go left 3. Let's have a last example. What if it's like okay, so this is the parent function touching the origin, and you go right 1/2, and this is 1, and plus 1/2. So right 1/2 over here, and plus 1/2 go up here, so this would be the function of this. it's the same method for the cube function. Like basically plus 4. Like this would be, this is the parent function of x equals cubed. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be here. Is it right? Okay. This is like the basic thing about function shifts. Function shifts, transforming and translating. And yeah, the basic things. And if you have any questions, you can email me or comment it below. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.